And just like that, it was the end of our trip. It was the final day. It was the day that we would be saying goodbye to each other. The day that we would be leaving to return to our homes. The day that we would never see each other. I'm just kidding. We would be seeing each other again in the future. We had an early morning breakfast, and after that we got to see the Crocs on the farm and some lions. And a funny story actually, on our way back at a fuel station, one of the helping hands made a big mess of petrol on Cornel's bike, and he was really angry about it. It was almost a massive fight, so everybody pitched in and gave him a hug. It was quite the emotional moment as we were returning back to Joburg. After everybody had given Cornel a final hug, we had a last bit of fun on the trip. And so the moment arrived. We were at our split and we said goodbye to each other. From the 4 days that we had spent together, we had learned a lot. We had learned a lot about each other, and we had learned a lot about Mpumalanga. And we had also learned exactly how slippery clay roads can be in certain situations, not the easy way either. We had gotten to a point where this trip could turn into something we could carry on forever. We were in expedition mode, but the time had come and we set out back. From all the faces that we saw over our 4 days, to all the places that we visited, from all the lessons and advice on life we spoke about, to all the tricks on the bike we learned, I say thank you to everyone. This was an awesome trip, and I hope we'd be having one again soon.